everyone. So yesterday I got an exciting email saying that my furniture finally came in. So please excuse the way I look. I've been looking a hot mess for a couple weeks now. So yeah, I got an email saying that our furniture came in last night, and my husband was able to get the day off because I can't drive anything bigger than a Jeep. So he had to get off because he has a lot of experience in driving trucks. He had to get off and get the U-Haul truck so that we can go and pick it up. We didn't even eat. We just got up, dropped our baby off to school, and got a truck and headed out. So that's where we're at right now. We're on our way to Orlando. As you guys know, you probably don't know, my salon will be located in Poinciana, Florida. So, yeah, so we have to drive about 45 minutes away, an hour, 45 minutes, something like that, away to pick up this furniture. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I'm sorry, I'm trying to drive and talk at the same time. Alright, you guys, so stay tuned. I'll keep you updated during this vlog. At this point, getting the boxes in the truck was like a Tetris game. It was kind of hard, but we kind of made it. I'm checking all the boxes for damages, because if I don't, then I can't file a claim through the insurance that came with the furniture. So me and my husband were busting through all the boxes, mainly for the mirrors, just to check for damages, and everything looked good. Okay guys, so what you just saw was, first we got to the warehouse and we attempted to get everything on the truck, but I guess I went a little shopping happy and all the packages couldn't fit on the truck. So we had to leave one of the larger packages or boxes at the warehouse. So we'll have to make 2 trips. So after we got the majority of the items onto the truck, we took it to the salon. We unpacked it. Some stuff we had to take it out of the crates that they were in. But hopefully, you know, that doesn't have any effect on the lights in my mirrors. But we didn't have any damages on the actual mirrors itself, except for the back of one of them, and it's like a little ding, but I'm not worried about that. So we had a total of like 19 items, and we were only able to get 18. So now we got everything off the truck, and I had to leave and get my daughter from school. So that's what we're doing. That's what I'm doing right now, sitting in line, waiting to get my daughter out of school. And my husband actually went back to the warehouse to go get our last package. It's a really, really large box. You'll probably see it later on, but it's a really, really large box. So hopefully after we get that, we'll be able to start assembling, but at 6 o'clock we have to return the truck that we got. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Bye.
Oh, this is my Valentine's Day gift, if anybody was wondering. Isn't it beautiful? Look at it. Oh my goodness, look at it. Look at it.
Okay.
Alright, my bad.
So we got all the furniture in. We opened all the boxes. We kind of set up the salon how we will kind of want it to look, so that when we assemble, we know where to put everything. We did get some damage, but I can't complain. The small little dings, it wasn't no big deal. At least no furniture was cut up, and no mirrors were broken. So we're happy about that. Thanks to my baby.
Not like a lizard. Why you keep licking your lips?
Cause my daddy. Get it from my daddy.
But we're not gonna reveal the setup right now. It's kind of sloppy.
It's messy.
You can kind of look at it through the what is it called, the time lapse. But other than that, we're not gonna do anything. We're not gonna show y'all right now. But it's starting to come together. It's starting to look good. We're almost there. We got about another 2 weeks, maybe. Everything should be set up and everything should be ready to go. Got a few more touches we gotta take care of. Yep, that was our.
I don't know what day.
We'll say that was our setup
A
day.
successful day.
That was our successful day.
Our relief day.
Oh, okay. That's our shipment day. There we go.
Shipment day. Okay.
That's our shipment day.
Shipment day.
Yeah. So we got it.
Finally.
And we got everything. What's the crazy part is that we got every single thing with minimal damage. That like never happens. So that means like this was supposed to happen.
It's a blessing.
This was supposed to happen. It was supposed to happen.
This is a blessing. It's a blessing.
I just think crazy. It was supposed to happen. All right. Well, good night. Till next time.
Next time.
Bye. Oh yeah. Isn't she gorgeous?